Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another project pan update for the month of November. We are here, or almost the end of the year. I'd say I've made some pretty good progress this month, so I'm looking forward to sharing this update with you guys. And just got a couple months left in this project, and let's just go ahead and start in with my Clinique Instant Brow, or the Brow Instant Lift. I used this a total of 14 times. I'd say that I've made pretty good progress. At this point, I don't know if my camera's gonna focus, but I don't believe I'll be able to finish it by the end of the year. However, I'm not mad at it. I'm just going based on the progress so far. So right there's the progress line. If I keep going at that pace in 2 months, I'll probably be just a little bit lower, probably about like right around here. So I don't plan on finishing this, but I'm not mad at the progress I have been making. Next, I've got my Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Tinted Moisturizer. I used this a total of 14 times. This was the product that I really tried focusing hard on this month. Again, hopefully the focus and the lighting will work out together, but alright, there we go. But anyway, that's the progress line there. Initial thoughts would be that I can finish it in the month of November. However, because we're having a baby this month, I don't know how possible that's going to be. I know that I can probably get some pretty good progress between now and by the time the baby arrives, but by the time baby arrives, I probably won't be wearing a whole heck of a lot of makeup between the end of this month and probably throughout December. But I'm pretty positive I can finish this month, or finish this by the end of the year. It's possible that I finish it this month. I'm just not sure if I'll quite, or I don't want to I don't want to overestimate what I can do, because again, it's going to depend on timing and baby and where we're at. But I am confident that I will finish this by the end of the year. I'm going to make it a plan to finish it by the end of the year. And I think I can make some pretty good progress between now and when the baby shows up. Same goes for the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I use this a total of 13 times. So there's that little progress line there. I did take the stopper out this month. I am still using the doe foot. However, I'm pretty much done using the doe foot to scrape it out. I'm going to have to take my little spatula eyeshadow brush that I usually use and just scrape the rest of this out. Again, same thing with this guy. I feel like I'll be able to finish it by the end of the year, but because of baby on the way, I'm not quite sure if I'll finish it this month. But again, it's possible. Next, I have my Urban Decay Single Shadow in the shade Space Cowboy. I only used this 4 times this month, so not as much as I have used it previously. But I mean, the pan's there, it's pretty good size. I'm happy with the progress. This wasn't anything I was planning on finishing up to begin with. I just wanted to see the progress I made. And I hit my initial goal 2 months ago, which was hitting pan. So at this point, it's just seeing what other kind of progress I can make. The next up on my list is my Jordana blush stick. I didn't mark it. I didn't care to mark it. I used this 3 times. Honestly, I don't even know why this is in my project anymore. I think honestly it's just for the sake of, I put it in, I want to see what I can do with it. Honestly, chances are this is going to get decluttered probably next year sometime. And again, here's some progress photos right there. There's the progress, not much. I also have my Colourpop Super Shock Highlighter in the shade Flexitarian. I did use this 12 times this month. I am happy with the usage I got out of it. This is one of those products that I really can't tell progress on. Maybe in the progress photos I'll see more. I've had this in the project since April, and I mean, I'm happy with the amount of progress I'm making. I'm using it consistently. There's just a lot of product in there, but definitely a far cry from where we were at the beginning of the year. And last up on my list is my Urban Decay Single Shadow in the shade Space Cowboy. I initially wanted to finish this by the end of the year. However, based on just the way the progress is going, I'm not quite sure if I'll make it. Again, I still think it's possible, and I think if I spend the next 2 months really trying hard to use it, I could use it. Also taking into account that baby will be here by the end of the month, so because of that aspect alone, I might not be able to finish it up, but I'll go ahead and show you progress. So I just did a baby line. I'm not even sure if you can tell there's a line on there, but it's just the tiniest little baby line of progress. But again, we'll see. If I can finish it, great, but I'm not planning on finishing it. At this point, the only 2 products I do want to finish and roll out by the end of the year are these 2. This one's been in since January, and then this one I'm just so close to finishing up that I believe I can do it. Other than that, it's just seeing where else I can make more progress. And if I do finish these off by next month, I'll roll something else in. If not, I'll just let those roll-ins be the start of my 2022 project plan. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing because my camera's not wanting to focus today. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and I will see you in the next one. God bless, and bye guys.